Wash my buddy's car today. But it's not easy. It's not too dirty in appearance. There's more mud on both sides of the car. Line to count. A PC pre-wash is a rival. The main wash of citrus is a rival. This is the product used this time. Start work. Wash the car and wash your feet first. That's right, Han Hui. It's like you go shopping with your girlfriend. Wear a beautiful suit. Look down and the leather shoes are all yours. Can't tell. After washing the wheels, then preview. Hang for 2 minutes, then rinse from the bottom up. Go to main step. Just wipe the body clean and flush it. I will give the car a Q coin for maintenance in a while. QD Maintenance Spray Advantage. Rapid construction. Easy 2 steps. Spray it on and touch it evenly with a towel. Then wipe it clean with a dry towel. Shirat is also very relaxed and effortless. Is the effect okay? Brothers! Last tire coating. Simply call it a day. Brothers who like to watch, please like and follow a wave, thank you. Like and follow, don't get lost.
Nice.